Hello viewers of Happy Minds Academy. Today let's learn what is the difference between said and told. Said, it is the past tense of say. Told, it is a past tense of tell. But when do we use said and when do we use told? Said, focus on the words. Said we use when we focus on the words. Told, when we focus on the messages. When we focus on the messages. Let us look into examples. John told me about his work. Here we are focusing on the work. So we have used told me. Similarly, Reena said something to Dora. So she is saying something to Dora. Whereas Reena told Dora something. Reena told Dora something. Here we focus on the messages. She said that she was happy. Priya said that she was sick. I told him not to go alone. To know more such details, please follow Happy Minds Academy channel.